Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about home remedies to get rid of cough. A cough is a reflex that helps clear your airways of irritants. There are numerous causes for coughing. Common cause of cough includes allergens, smoking, pollution, and other medical conditions, etc. Symptoms of cough often may be treated or cured with home remedies. Here are some 6 home remedies to get rid of cough. Number 1. Inhale steam. Boil water and pour into a vessel. Cover it by towel and take steam. It can help your nose and throat from being too dry, and moisture can also ease your breathing and loosen mucus, helping you cough it up. Number 2. Turmeric milk. Drink a glass of milk with half teaspoon of turmeric twice daily to clear your throat. Turmeric contains an active agent called curcumin that has strong antiviral, antibacterial properties which help in treating infections. Number 3. Spiced tea. Take a glass of water, add half teaspoon ginger powder, a pinch of cinnamon, cloves and boil. Drink this twice a day. All 3 spices are known to heal you from within. These warming spices reduces congestion in the lungs and also help in drying up a running nose. Number 4. Honey and lemon. Another effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon and honey. This syrup cures cough. Drink this twice a day to cure cough naturally. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drink water frequently as it helps in fighting against cough. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. Take a glass of hot water, add a fresh slice of ginger and drink this twice a day to get rid of cough naturally.